Today on Yester Kitchen, we are going to discover two fabulous whiskey cocktails from 1965, and I'm going to finally show you my bar in Idaho. You're going to love it. Let's get started. Hey everyone, I'm Jill and this is Yester Kitchen and this is my bar in Idaho. Does it get more 70s than this? Okay, you gotta see this, seriously. I have saloon doors behind me, like literally saloon doors. This is the center of the house. You can't even imagine how much in love I am with this. The only problem is it's very hard to film back here, so all the cocktail episodes you're just gonna see Yester Quickies for, but I wanted to show you the bar because you had to see it. But now we're gonna get to two very retro cocktails from a very retro cocktail book that you're gonna absolutely love. Okay, so now we're gonna make our two cocktails. We're gonna make a blinker cocktail now, and then we're gonna follow it up with the crown cocktail. Both of them are whiskey based, and both of them are very, very similar. You're gonna love them. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is I am gonna thank Pete G, because without him, I would not have this book. I get gifted vintage cookbooks from fans, viewers, friends all the time. I am eternally grateful. And here's what he sent me, along with a few others, and I'm very grateful. This one, whoop, right here from 1965, the Calvert Party Encyclopedia. Look how it's coming apart. The pages are yellowed. But it's just like such a fabulous, 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 look how 60s that is. Fabulous book. Pete, this is a treasure and I take such good care of it. And in here I have my two recipes. This is the blinker. I have a shaker full of ice. To that, you are gonna add about 2.5 ounces of grapefruit juice. I squeeze mine fresh because it tastes so much better. It's about 1/3 cup, maybe a little less. And into the shaker it goes. Next, this is actually their bar guide. So this is Scotch, whiskey. I've got 1 shot of whiskey. You can use whatever kind you like. And the last thing we need is 1/2 ounce of grenadine. Grenadine, it's a derivative of pomegranate juice. That's how they make it. If you don't have grenadine, you don't want to buy a bottle for this much. If you have maraschino cherries from, for ice cream sundaes, you can get away with that in a pinch. It's not grenadine, but it'll work. But if you can get grenadine, this is the flavor you want. It's fabulous. And in here we have 1/2 ounce, which is 1 tablespoon. This is going to be gorgeous. Now all we're going to do is shake. There we go. In comes 1 glorious glass. I like the big ice cubes. They melt slower. Your drink doesn't get as watered down. Take a look at how gorgeous this is going to be. Look at that gorgeous, 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 gorgeous pink color. Gotta get all of it. This is fabulous. Okay, this is the blinker cocktail, whose origins are unknown. The first time it was ever found in a cookbook bar guide was 1934. Other than that, we know nothing about this drink except it is fabulous and it is in one amazing cocktail book. Okay, give me a second to set up and we're gonna move on to the crown. Okay, we are ready to start our crown. You're gonna need 2 ounces of whiskey in your crown, which is 4 tablespoons. So there is 0 history about the crown cocktail. All I can tell you, it is fabulous. Quite possibly was made up by the Calvert Company for the book. So into our ice-filled shaker goes 2 ounces of whiskey of your choice. And we have our same 1/2 ounce or 1 ounce or 1 tablespoon of grenadine. In it goes, see, very, very similar. And the only difference with these drinks is instead of grapefruit juice, we have lemon juice. Still fresh, 1 ounce or 2 tablespoons. And there we go. And we do the same thing. Okay, that's pretty well blended. In comes our second glass of ice. Did I mention it's like 10:30 in the morning here? And here's our crown cocktail, which looks just like our blinker cocktail, except one's lemon. And by the way, like I always say, especially in cocktails, use fresh squeezed. Here's your grapefruit. They're both gorgeous. Cheers to all of you. I hope you try these drinks. Super easy, super good. Let me know what you think. And once again, thank you, Pete, so much for such an absolute treasure. Thanks for stopping by. It's always such an honor to have you join me. Enjoy drinking the past. And I will see you in the next video.